Yeah, what's good, YouTube? And Twitch, Instagram. Okay. I haven't done this in so long. I've been gone for like what? A few months? I mean, it's kind of cool, right? But anyway, what's good, YouTube? My name is ZT. Some know me as ZK. Some know me as ZK. What's good, YouTube? It's been a while. Like, it's been way too long. So, pretty sure I got some explaining to do. So, I'm going to tell you everything. Bro, these past few months been crazy as well. I'm talking about crazy, like, really crazy. Like, right? So, at school, someone got caught cracking in the bathroom. Someone got caught cracking in the bathroom. Yes, you heard me right. Cracking in the bathroom. And it's the fun fact is, it was two of my homies that I never expect to do either. I'm talking about that, but that's another story for like, that's another story for another time. That's another story for another time. So go for, oh yeah, my birthday passed. Happy late birthday to me, I guess. And hold on. Did I already tell you guys about it? Or did I say I was going to wait to tell you? I'm going to choose the second part. I'm going to gatekeep the last one. The only thing I know is going to be heat in the future. I know for a fact. It's most definitely finna be heat in the future. Regardless. Chat, say what's up to YouTube, chat. Oh, wait. I haven't looked at school yet. Yeah, only I can see y'all. I don't think YouTube can see y'all. I gotta figure out how to make it both at the same time. Yeah. Well, anyway, well, just in case, just say hi to YouTube and Instagram. I'm gonna be on both. So, I'm back. Well, I'm back now. School's up, right? Oh, it's my mom. Hey, mom. What's good? Going out for my little brother. Oh, that ain't gonna be on me. So I'm cool. Anyway, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be here every. Let me take that step back. I'm going to be here almost every day until 2. I'm going to be here until 2:40, 2:45 through Saturday and Sunday, whatever. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it stacked. I'm trying to do this consistently. Especially my last video, I did say I was gonna do 100 uploads. That I haven't been back to 300. Dang, I sound recorded. Oh yeah, y'all wanna know something? Y'all wanna know what Corey been all this time? I'm gonna keep it a stack. You wanna know what Corey X Kitchen? You heard me right. The Shogun himself. You wanna know what he been all this time? He been out hanging with Dashie. He was in Mardi Gras. Yes, he was in Mardi Gras. And he was up there just going up to events for Monsters Unite. Not gonna lie, we already discussed this moment with him and this whole thing, right? So, that ain't that bad, ain't it? Anyway, what was the topic that I was gonna do? Right. Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. I am going to play that tomorrow because I lost all my gameplay like yesterday. Like I lost all my gameplay yesterday. and yes, I did record it, so I'm going through all my back save, all my extra files to make sure that I get this right. Like the raw footage. And not just like another one. Like if I like play it again, it's not gonna be surprising anymore. That's the difficult part. It's not gonna be exciting anymore if I play it the second time. So I'm gonna try my best to find the other half of that video, and then I will edit it all together. Hopefully by tomorrow. Lord's willing, hopefully by tomorrow. I'm gonna keep it a step. Anyway. So we gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna play Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 tomorrow, and I'm just gonna keep that train going. until we hit that 100 uploads, and hopefully we can reach at least 100 subs. That's my goal for now. I'm already at 20 though. For some reason, just with me being absent, my subscriber list is just going up. I was at what? Dang near 8 last time. When I first started, I was at like 8 subs, and the next thing you know, I just pull up with 20. That was wild, and I appreciate you guys for doing that. So, even though I wasn't here, I hope that my videos make y'all happy in a way, and I enjoy making these videos for y'all. I swear I do. So, I'm going to keep this up until I literally graduate and then go to college. I'm going to do this as long as possible. I'm talking about I'm going to continue posting until the day I'm retired. And that's going to be 50 years from now. Anyway, so what I'm finna do is I'm finna play some old clips that I recorded I'm finna like play some old clips that I recorded, but I didn't, upload it on YouTube yet. Like, I was recording like different videos and stuff like that. Yeah, I was recording like the whole time I was absent. I just never uploaded it to YouTube for y'all to see. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna play all my clips that I recorded, because that would actually help me a lot reaching that goal. So yeah, I will see y'all later, or really a second, depending on like the time frame, Yes. And I'll get some new vids, hopefully every day from now on. Later. What's good, everybody? My name is ZT. Some know me as DK. Today we're gonna be playing Kindergarten. Like, I'm pretty sure Kindergarten been out I said Kindergarten been out for like a year now, but I wasn't a streamer for a year. So what is it? I'm pretty sure you've seen Corey's Kitchen play this game too. I'm pretty sure he did this in like multiple series as well, but it should help a lot. Kinda. Yeah, it should kinda help a lot. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so apparently my freaking OBS doesn't want to work or doesn't want to run while I'm commentating at the same time. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to do like a separate clip, like the no commentary on YouTube until I can get my OBS working again, and then kind of get commentary on my Instagram. If I could be able to do that, hopefully I'm able to at least give y'all a little bit of commentary with me and chat. Yeah, with me and chat. Anyway, yeah. So hopefully that you guys just enjoy this gameplay because I couldn't commentate at all because it's acting funny with me. Anyway, I'll see you guys again tomorrow, and yeah, peace. No, wait. Which one? What did I do last time? Right, and fade to black.